Yeah, I just saw his head.
Oh, you can see him right there.
Yeah.
That's fucked up. Wish he wasn't trapped.
Yeah, I know, but he would kill us if he wasn't.
Do you see the sign for the trap lines back there?
Was there?
Yeah.
I didn't think you could trap them. I thought you could only.
Is it legal to trap a bear or is it like an accident?
I don't think you're allowed to trap a bear.
Bring me your camera, babe. Can you hold this? Is it on?
Yeah. Oh no.
Are you sure?
It's a grizzly bear. Holy crap.
Okay. Is it...
You look for the camera.
Oh, okay. Me too.
Hold on. I just saw it.
Someone cover me.
I mean, I don't really need a picture. I got that like image of him just growling stuck in my
I'm coming back.
I don't need a picture.
I saw him charge these two, and then the line caught him.
I thought like, oh,
Bad shit.
He's fucking... He's suffering.
Yeah. You can
Poor
tell
guy.
he's-
Is there like a number we could call?
I don't know. If there's a number on that, there should be a number on that trap line sign.
Oh, he's suffering.
What's that noise?
that's him.
Oh.
It's like he's stuck around his throat.
I think it's on his foot. I wouldn't go closer because he tries to get out. And he does. He's coming.
And if that comes out of that tree,
We were right up where that bush is.
I know, yeah. You saw a number on the thing?
I don't know. I didn't even see this trap line sign. Was there one behind us?
I didn't see it.
Whoa, he's big.
There's something around his
He's
neck.
big.
You can hear he's not breathing too well.
I mean, truthfully, I don't even know if he's in a trap. I didn't see the trap. I just know he couldn't come to us.
Something pull him back.
Some yank and something. He's laying down.
I don't think he can breathe well.
No, he sounds like he's dying.
Choking on something. He's dying.
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. It's a matter of time before we get
Shit. Yank that tree right up.